Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel here on YouTube, and for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a fortune teller tower using only 2 sheets of printer or colored paper. So let's begin. What you're going to do is you're going to get your 2 sheets of paper, and you're going to have one of them be set off to the side. You're going to deal with it later, and with one of the sheets of paper, you're going to be folding it in half. And cutting along this folded line. And then set one of the halves off to the side. And you're gonna fold it in half again. Fold one of the halves hamburger style, cutting along the folded line. And then set the other half off to the side. And you're basically gonna keep doing this where you fold it in half, cut it, and set one of the halves off to the side. And grab the half, fold it in half hamburger style. And cut along the folded line. Set one of the halves off to the side. Do this again. So in the end, you should end up with 7 pieces of paper, each of them being a different size. Now the next step is to cut each piece of paper into a square. Once you've got a square, you're going to repeat the process for each of these papers. After cutting each paper into a square, you're now going to start the origami process where each paper is going to be folded into a fortune teller. What you're going to do for each squared paper, you're going to fold it in half. Fold it in half the other way. And then you're going to fold it in half diagonally, like this. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to open up the paper, and you're going to have each corner meet at the center. Then you're going to flip it over, and you're going to have each of these corners meet at the center. Afterwards, just flip it over, push the diagonal folds in, and open up the flaps. And there's your fortune teller. And then you're going to repeat the process for all the other pieces of paper. Once you're done, you can now stack them however you'd like, with the points facing up or with the points facing down. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading these past few weeks. I've been dealing with finals and I've been really burnt out. And I hope you guys understand. And other than that, I will be back on my weird upload schedule each week. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.